Hey guys, I'm back for the rest of my tonic day. So, I went ahead and subscribed to the Tonic craft kit. And so I showed you guys last month. And then this month I love this one too. And the one that they just put out for July is fabulous as well. It's Christmas. So this one is Tonic Kit 22. It comes in this box, and it's got like a FedEx wrapper on it, but it comes in this box. Open the box up. Now, I took some of the stuff out of the whatchamacallits, but you get the little welcome note. And it's Craft Kit 22. The oval frame kit. And I love these dies in here. Oh my gosh, wait till you see them. All right, so it gives you a whole list of all your stuff that is in there. And it gives you a little thing to get some inspiration. So that's in there. Let me just go ahead and start. One, you got purple, the palm violets, alcohol markers. Now, I already have this set. And I love their Nouveau alcohol markers. They are right up there with my Spectrum Noirs because y'all know, even though Crafter's Companion gets on my nerves with their other products, I uber love their coloring products. And these are right up there with them. Yep. So you get like this apple spray. So that's interesting. I don't really do a lot of spraying, but I like that color, so we shall try it. You have this little pot of embossing powder, and it is called Shimmering Pearl. So that'll be interesting. I haven't used their embossing powder yet. Now, I did buy a large pad of their clear mark, and I still haven't used it, but they put in a small pad in the box, and I like this little size. It's so cute. Okay, you get an embellishment mousse. I was trying to see if it was expanding or not. But it's an embellishment mousse. And it's a silvery color. So I still haven't played with that. And I have a few of those. They give you some glitter accents. So, glitter in a bottle. I'm probably like glitter glue. Glitter glue. Which is not what they call it, but... Okay, here's your dies and your stamps. So you get it in this little envelope thing, and you're supposed to every 3 months or every 4 months get a little binder. And I think I got one binder, but I'm not sure. So whatever, but I'll show you those in a second. And look at the fabulous papers. I'm trying to see if... I don't know. But we shall see. Okay, so you get this fabulous paper. And that gorgeous. And it's a brownish. And it comes through with kind of like a green-gray accent. But, it's fabulous. It's thick. You got this mirrory satiny looking card. There's a gorgeous, yummy purple one. Ooh. See how sparkly, shiny it is? There's my phone. And you got this purple one. And it's kind of got like a linen finish to it. It's like pistachio kind of green one. A darker purple. I thought we got a paper pad in here, but I guess not. This gorgeous purple glitter one, a pearlescent one, and then this matte shiny. Ooh, that's so pretty. It's so pretty. I love it. Yeah. That was gorgeous. And I want to say that the box, by the time you pay shipping, is $40. So there are the bits. And what sent me over is always the dies. If I don't like the dies, I don't get the kit. Because the other stuff, I'm like, I may use it, may not. But the dies, y'all know I have an obsession with dies. So Craft Kit 22. Look at these. First, we'll start off with the stampy stamps. So you get these stamps and this sentiment. You get your Tonic craft sticker. Your little thing here. And then look at the dies. So you get these. So your 2 layering pieces. This will make sense in a minute when you see the other set. This cuts out a sentiment. You get another sentiment here, and here's the backing plate for that. This is the die to cut out that stamp. The stamp here. And I don't know if there's a die to cut out the little one. Yep, there is. Okay, so that's the one set. And then this piece. Oh, I love it. Number 1, it's a large die. Can you see that? It's a large die. Number 2, it's all fancy. So you have this edge which cuts solid. So you cut that out and you'll have a solid piece in the center. If you want to cut it out in the center, there's that one. Then you have this set, which is actually 2 dies. They have the 2 half dies. So here is one design. See if you can see it. And then they've got a different design at the bottom. So instead of giving you just one die, you've got 2 different designs, which is fabulous. So then if you want to cut that out in the center, you have that die. Now, this die will cut out, I'm trying to see if it cuts out on its own. No, it will cut into your thing. So you'll have to use that one to cut it out. But this area here, see this weird shape right there? That's what this die is for. So you can cut that out and mat and layer it. Then here is the die for this. Where'd it go? Oh, it's in my, look, it's in my hand. For this stamp. But if I'm not mistaken, they made the die so that it is also the, yep, they did, the backing layer for this die, which is freaking awesome, right? 1 die, 2 different things. And then here is the die for the teeny tiny flower, right there. So that is the kit, and I can't wait to play with this. Oh my gosh, I didn't even get to play with the last month's kit yet, but I love that. So I can't help it. I love this kit. Love it, love it, love it. And then, yeah, the die, the kit for next month is fabulous too. So there's that. If you're interested in seeing anything demonstrated in that box, you can let me know. I never know when I'm actually going to get around to them because, yeah, I don't necessarily do everything right then. I might get something 2 months later and be like, yes, let's play with it. But anyway, thanks for watching. If you're interested, you can hit that subscribe button down wherever it is somewhere. I have several tutorials already on my channel that show how to use various products, so you can always go look up those. And like I said, if you have a request for a tutorial, you can do that as well. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I shall see you later.